You're welcome back to this channel. So today's class, we want to use Pascal triangle to expand and simplify completely. 2x minus 3y raised to the power of 4. Solution. Two x minus 3y raised to the power of 4. So you have to take notes. We want to use Pascal triangle for the coefficients of each term of this binomial expansion. So the coefficients will now be, so you have to take note of the power. The power is 4. So the coefficient will be 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So the next thing is that you write the binomial 2x minus 3y raised to the power of 4 will now be equal to. So let's write the first coefficient, which is 1. Then multiplied by the first term here is what? The first term is what? 2x. Don't make the mistake. The first term is 2x. So you write that 2x. 2x. Put it inside the brackets. Now, this power, this 4. So the first term is going it. Multiply by the second term here will be 3 minus 3y. It will be what? Minus 3y. So that is the second term. So you write it here. Minus 3y. Inside brackets. Now, its own power will now start from 0. So, plus the second coefficient is 4. 4. Multiply by the first coefficient, the first term, which is 2x. Write it. 2x inside the bracket. Now, the power of that first term will now be decreasing. It will be doing what? It will be decreasing. That is, start from 4. The next one will be what? 3. So it will be decreasing. Multiply by the second term, which is what? Minus 3y. So the power of the second term will be increasing. The power of the first term will be decreasing, and the power of the second term will be increasing. So take note. So this one will now be 1. You can see it starts from 0, 1. So plus the third coefficient is 6. So plus 6, multiply by the first term, which is what? 2x. I told you its power will be decreasing, so this one will be 2. Then multiply by the second term, which is minus 3y, and its power is increasing, so the next one is 2. So we are done with that. Plus the next coefficient is also 4. 4. You know we have 4 here already. That's why I said also. So multiply by the first term, which is 2x, then raised to the power of, to be decreasing 1. Multiply by the second term, which is minus 3y, raised to the power of increasing 3. Plus the last coefficient is 1. Multiply by the first term, and our first term is what? 2x raised to the power of 0, decreasing multiply by the second term minus 3y raised to the power of 4 increasing. So you have to take note of all those things. So the next thing here is for us to simplify. So we have 1 multiplied by 2 raised power x, 2x raised power 4. So let's simplify 2x raised power 4. Let me explain that. This one means 2 raised power 4 multiplied by 2 raised power 4. It's the same thing. So like we have a, m, everything raised power 2. It will be a raised power 2 multiplied by m raised power 2. So take note of that. So from here now, I can now say that my 2x minus 3y raised power 4 will be equal to 2 raised power 4 multiplied by x raised power 4. Then the whole of minus 3y, everything raised power 0 is 1 already. So leave that one. Plus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x raised power 3 is the same thing. No, I have 2x raised power 3 should be what? 2 raised power 3, then x raised power 3. The same thing. So here, I can now say that I have 2 raised power 3 multiplied by x raised to power 3 multiplied by minus 3y raised power 1. So minus 3y raised power 1 is still the same thing. Any number raised to the power of 1 is that number. Plus 6 multiplied by 2x. 2x raised power 2. So 2x raised power 2 is the same thing as what? 2 raised power 2 multiplied by x raised power 2. So here I will now have multiplied by 2 raised power 2 multiplied by x raised power 2. Then I also have multiplied by minus 3y raised to power 2. So be what? Minus 3, take note, raised power 2. No, I did not say minus 3 raised power 2. If I say this one, they are not the same thing. This is going to give me minus multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is the what? Minus 9. So you have to take note. But here will give me minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, which will be what? 9. Can you see? They are not the same thing. So you have to take note of that. So from here, I have minus 3 raised power 2 multiplied by y raised power 2. So I'm done with that. So the next one plus 4 multiplied by 2x raised power 1 is still the same thing. So multiply by 2x. Then multiply by minus 3y raised power 3, which will be what? Minus 3 raised power 3 multiplied by y raised power 3. So here I have minus 3 raised power 3 is not the same thing. If I say minus 3 raised power 3 is not the same thing. So you have to take notes. So here I have multiplied by minus 3 raised power 3, then y raised power 3. So also I have plus 1 multiplied by 2x raised power 0. 2x raised power 0 is 1. So then I have minus 3y raised power 4, which will be minus 3 raised power 4 multiplied by y raised power 4. No, it is not the same thing as minus 3 raised power 4. So please take notes. So from here I have minus 3 raised power 4, then y raised power 4. So 2x minus 3y raised power 4 will now be equal to, what is 2 raised power 4? 2 raised power 4 is 16. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16. Then multiply by x raised power 4. So plus 4 times 2 raised power 3. What is 2 raised power 3? 2 raised power 3 is what? 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 8. So that means here is 8. Then don't forget that I have minus 3 here. So it will be 4 multiplied by 8, that is 32. 32 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 96. So maybe I should just write it here, plus 4 multiplied by 8, then multiply by minus 3, then multiply by x raised power 3, then y. So plus 6 multiplied by 4, 2 raised power 2, 4. Then here I have minus 3 squared, which I told you is will be plus 9. So that will multiply by 9, then multiply by x squared, y squared. Plus 4 multiplied by 2x, that is 8x. Then here I have minus 3 raised power 3, that will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, that is plus 9. Then multiply by minus 3, that is what? Minus 27. So please take note of all those things. So I have 6 multiplied by, where are we? Here. So I have 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 27, then multiply by x multiplied by y cubed. So plus, I have minus 3 raised power 4 is what? Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 plus 9. Plus 9 multiplied by minus 3, minus 27. Minus 27 multiplied by minus 3, that is plus 81. Please take notes. So I have plus 81, then y raised power 4. So let's complete everything. So I have 2x minus 3y raised power 4 will now give me, so 16x raised power 4, then 4 multiplied by 8, 32, multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 96. So minus 96, let's check so that we don't make mistake. I think I've done that before. Then I have x cubed y. Then 6 multiplied by 4, 24. 24 multiplied by 9, that would be 216, I guess. 24 multiplied by 9, that's 216. So is it going to be plus or negative? Plus. So it'll be plus 216 x squared y squared. Y squared. So plus 4 multiplied by 2, that is plus 8. Multiplied by minus 27 will also give me minus 216. 8 multiplied by minus 27, minus 216. So minus 216, then x, y cubed plus 81 y raised power 4. So that is that. So I want you to observe now. I told you that the power of the first term will be decreasing and the power of the second one will be increasing. So here, that means our x here is raised power 4, y is raised power 0, which is 1. Then x raised power 3 here, you can see it decreasing, y raised power 1, x raised power 2 decreasing, y raised power 2 increasing, x raised power 1 decreasing, y raised to power 3 increasing. Then here x raised to power 0, which is 1, then y raised to power 4. So please take note. If you have minus in between of two terms, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be extremely careful. So this is how you are going to do it. Please go through it, and that is the answer. So you have to be careful. The thing is that the first term, you are taking that x with its coefficient. If there is minus here, if you have minus 2x here, you are taking that minus 2x as a term. So the second term you have minus 3y. You are taking that minus 3y as a term. It's not that you take 3y. So please, you have to take notes. Many students used to make that mistake. So please take notes. Till I see you again. Bye bye.